If you're 18 years old, you can get free Amazon Prime for 6 months. There's a link in the description that will take you to this landing page on Amazon. It's called Prime for Young Adults, and it's actually for 18 to 24-year-olds, or if you're a student, you also qualify. You get 6 months free of Amazon Prime, and then it's only half the price after that per month. You also get this 5% cash back, which is something not available on the regular Prime membership. Just click the big yellow button here to try Prime for Young Adults for 6 months, and you just verify as an 18-year-old or as a student, and you can get Prime free. Now, if you're not 18 to 24, you can still click this link down here and get yourself a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. And if you qualify, you can go scroll down to Prime Access or with government assistance. So if you're in financial need, you can actually get half off of Amazon Prime. But if you're 18 years old, now's the time to try Amazon Prime free for 6 months and then only half off, so half the regular cost of Amazon Prime subscription after that 6 months. That's Amazon Prime for Young Adults. There's a link in the description, and I'll leave it in the top comment as well.